Hi, welcome to a new video. In this video, we will learn how to install Docker and Portainer on your Ubuntu machine. So if you have old PC where you're running Ubuntu and you want to convert that PC into Powerhouse, the best way to get started with the Docker or containerization. So in order to install Docker on your machine, the first thing would be first you need to log into a machine. In my case, I have an Ubuntu machine which is running on 10.10.0.41. So let me first log in. 41. Okay, so once you're logged into machine, you just go to Google and search for install Docker on Ubuntu. You will get the first link, which would be their official link for their official website. And here you have all the instruction how to install Ubuntu on different flavor of Linux. So the first step would be set up the Docker repository. So you just copy this command, go back to your console, paste it. And then you install the latest version of Docker and Docker Compose plugin. So once it depends on your internet speed, once the Docker installation is completed, you can run the system control command to verify the status of it. Okay, it's running, started. Or if it is not, then you can run this command to start it, or you can just restart it as well. And if you want to verify if your installation is successfully completed, try deploying your Hello World Docker image. Again, all the instruction, everything is available on the official website of Docker. Now, if you see this message, which means Docker installation has been completed or it's working completely fine. Now, in order to manage Docker or containerization on Ubuntu machine, see, I don't want to log into the terminal every time to manage them, right? I need a modern solution for this. Like I would like to basically manage this Docker from a web UI or a graphical user interface, right? In order to do that, I will install a Portainer, the community edition of Portainer. So I'll just search for install Portainer on Ubuntu. You'll get the first link on from their official website. The process is very simple. You just create a Docker volume and run the next command. It will download the image and it will do the setup for you. So understand how fast it is to set up a software. You can also, install Uptime Kuma, Prometheus, Grafana, everything with just a simple click or just creating one Docker Compose file. We will learn about all of this in upcoming videos, but this video is mainly focused on how to get started with the Docker and the Portainer, right? So once the installation is completed, you run Docker PS. Now you can see the Docker is running on port 9443. So what I will do is that I'll go to 10.10.41 and the port 9443. Okay, it's basically asking me to run on HTTPS. So I'll just add S here, advanced, and proceed. Since this is the first time we are setting up Portainer, it is asking us to create a password for your admin account. I'll go ahead and create it. Get started, live connect. This is the portal, or this is a web UI where you can manage your all images, containers, volume, network, everything. So if you're watching till here and if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the chat box. I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.